This is a Siemens Process Simulate walkthrough of a virtual commissioning project focused on ABB and conveyors. In this cell, we have 3 conveyors handling parts. Parts are generated, transferred, and tracked with signal handshakes and sensors. There's also a tank press station. The robot picks a part from the first conveyor. New parts are spawned with an updated appearance. The press forms the tank, and once the cycle is complete, the finished tank is placed on the 3rd conveyor, which carries it away. You'll see the key tools I use along the way: the simulation monitor for signals and states, and the robot program viewer to track the program pointer. The robot runs with the ABB RCS module, so we're executing vendor-accurate logic in motion. Conveyors aren't just automated. I can operate them manually when I'm not in run mode. Using the conveyor functions, I jog by joints and nudge parts to exactly where I need them. For full control, I drive the conveyors through the SCL Editor, leveraging its commands for motion, signal transfer, and interlocks. Together with the ABB robot, signals, and RCS, this is a complete virtual commissioning setup. Logic, timing, and movements are all exercised end-to-end. If you want to see more Process Simulate content, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I'd really appreciate a like and your subscription so you don't miss upcoming videos.